welcome to my first installment of tips and tricks. I want to show you what I am doing as far as how I organize diamond paintings. And so this is the first video of many, I'm sure. And so I'm going to call this tips and tricks tube number 1. Okay, so what does Office Depot Durable View 2-inch, I think it's 2-inch, yep, 2-inch 3-ring binder have to do with diamond painting? Okay, no, it is not for drills storage. It is for how I do my review sheets. So the first one I ever purchased was this tree. So if you go to my beginning video, you'll see this tree, okay? And as I kept going, you know, I had the sunflower, and then I had a butterfly, I had the mushrooms, I had Minnie Mouse, and so on and so forth. And all of these inventory sheets were everywhere. And for some reason, I'm a hoarder when it comes to organizing, and I didn't want to throw them away, because many of these I gave away as gifts, and it was before I started working on a portfolio, which will be another tip and trick down the road. But yeah, I was like, what can I do? I'm starting a review channel and I need to get organized. And so as you can see, I developed what I consider a review sheet. Okay, so I took, you know, from different review channels I was watching, different things I like to do, and I created my own review sheet. It has morphed a little bit, but not a lot. I basically do a design. So at the top, I have the design kit name. Then I have, is it a custom or not? I also included what size is it? What drill type, you know, are there special drills? And then like this one, yes, it was special, it was crystals or rhinestones. Was the coverage full or partial? What website was it purchased from? Because a lot of us purchase from AliExpress, but then there's a store within it. So what website, then what store, then the price. Was it on sale, yes or no? And then shipping costs. Now here's where I changed a little bit, because now I include number of colors up here by the full and partial. Okay, so let's go to some of the newer ones so you can see what I've updated, and I will continue on with the review sheet. So many of these you've seen, like the owl and my superhero stickers and my kimono girls and my Christmas tree. I have cars, which I wrote notes that my mom is giving to my nephew. I have this beautiful Tell Me Stories, One Little Bite, and then I did do videos on these, but I need to fill out the forms. I didn't have the form when I did the video, so I have to go back and look. All right, so here's my tulips. I did a video on this. Basically, here's where the new number of colors sits, right up here. Okay, and then I do, like, was it on sale? Was there shipping cost to it? Date purchased, date shipped, date received, and then over here I write how many days. And then down below I do when did I start and when did I complete it. Now that's the hardest part for me, because I always forget to put when I started. So I usually have to guess. That's why it says September 2018. Then I do a star. So I do a 5-star rating, and every category gets 1 star, and you can get a 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, or 1. So basically I have 20 points dished out if you multiply 5 by 4. Now on the tulip, I did not have this review sheet. So although I went through and I put a little bit of what I would give it, I did not put drills, quantity, readable, packaging, because I don't remember. So that's why I don't have a star rating there. And then after I'm done, I have a post review. So I have, so the unboxing review is canvas quality, so feel, size, glue, symbols, drills, quantity, packaging, was the number readable on the packaging, shipping, length of time, tracking, packaging, did the canvas have a chance, okay? So is the shipping, packaging okay? Advertising of the product, did I get what I wanted? And then overall impression, would I buy again at that point? Then when I'm finished with it, I do a post review, and that's 5 stars as well. And so that is canvas glue, complete, was it complete stick, slippery, rivers, bubbles, etc. Symbol clarity, drill quality and quantity, did I run out? Design success. Now I am very careful not to say it was a bad success if I ordered too small. It's more of did they do their part in the success of the design? And then experience, did I have a good time doing it? And then I have a note section, and then I copy and paste the painting down here. So that's my review sheet. And behind the review sheet, if I do have an inventory list, I'll put the inventory list behind the review sheet, like in this tulip one. So yeah, I have, you know, this is the girl with the elephant. This is my unicorn. This is this little light of mine. This is Off to Neverland. This is the lighthouse one, the 5 panel. And then the blue fairy. And then I have a couple more that I just did unboxings for that I need to put in here. These are just sheet protectors. And that way I have my inventory sheets if I was given one in here, and I have my review sheets. So I need to figure out how to design the cover. If anybody out there wants to help me design a cover, that'd be great. I can't pay for it, but I am not creative in that way. I thought about doing a diamond, like a small diamond painting to put in here, but I'm too anal. It would poke through the diamonds eventually. And so I need to come up with some sort of poster or 8.5 by 11 design. So yeah, that is my tips and tricks to how I do my reviews. You don't have to be a review channel to do this, but you know, a year or two from now, if I gave a gift away or if I wanted to check out, did I, you know, purchase from that store before, I can look through here. A couple things that might not be great about this system is, number one, I don't have it in order of the stores, so that might be something I go back and I rearrange and put them in. Right now I have them somewhat in order of when I purchased them, not really, kind of within 2 to 3 weeks. So I could go back through and do it according to the store alphabetically, but I'm not that detailed. I don't want to spend that much time organizing when all I want to do is diamond paint, because I do not do reviews all the time. I only purchase maybe 2 or 3 diamond paintings a month, so I don't need a huge inventory system. This was more for looking back and seeing, did I like it, did I not like it. So yeah, that's one of the downfalls of it. I'm sure there's a couple other downfalls, like the dates received and different things like that. I don't have a spot. I just write out to the side. But again, I'm going to put the link down below for you. I've created it in a Google Doc format for this video, and any video moving forward, it'll be linked in my description. And you guys are welcome to change it, modify it, make it your own. At least it's a template to start with. But yeah, that's what works for me, and I'm super excited to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, be blessed and have a wonderful day.